Hi, welcome to Scuba. This is the Scubapro Meridian wrist computer, obviously designed as a wrist top, so a watch size computer, can be worn outside of diving as well. Full decompression computer, so we're going to take a look at some of the features. So the Scubapro Meridian is a full decompression computer in a watch sized format. Full steel housing, so it's very strong with a tough glass on the front as well. Operates using 4 push buttons. The ones on the right generally do up and down through menu systems. You've got a select and escape button and a light facility as well. Up and down will go through the main menu systems. So scuba settings, logbook, planner, current altitude and temperature, and a stopwatch facility. So if we have a look at the scuba settings, so highlighted by scuba, press select and then you're into the sub menu, and in here you've got gas settings, scuba settings, apnea settings for free diving, and also what mode the watch is in. So currently it's set as a scuba watch, but you can also change it for free diving and gauge mode as well. So we have a look at gas. In here you can obviously set your partial pressure and your oxygen content for each gas that it uses, and you can obviously switch between those gases during the dive. To get out of a menu, just hold down the select, it will escape back to the previous menu. In Scuba, you can set your alerts basically, so this one for instance is depth alert, so it's currently set to 40 metres. You've got a dive time alert, so it's currently set to 60 minutes. This is your basically your safety factor, so you can change it to be more conservative. This is where you want your safety stop to be. Currently it's set to 3 metres, but you can obviously adjust that if you prefer to have it at a deeper depth. Units, you can obviously set the units, it's currently set to Celsius and metres, but you can also have it in feet and Fahrenheit. Also can adjust what water you're diving in, so if you dive in fresh water, you also need to change this, or salt water, just to make sure that it's reading accurately. How long you keep the light on for, so once the backlight's been activated, it's how long it will stay on for. So currently set to 6 seconds. Attention beep, so all these beepings you can turn off if you want to. You can turn whether it activates automatically via the water contact, so obviously once you jump in and it gets wet, it's automatically looking for it to go diving. You can turn that off so it will only activate for manual use. That's all the settings in there. So apnea, basically standard alerts again. That's the only one in apnea. So lots of different things you can set. And then the other one, algorithm, this is basically where you're changing the mode of the computer. So obviously set to scuba, general use, it's providing full decompression information. Set it at apnea, it will record your maximum depth, things like that. It will also take into account your saturation levels. And then gauge mode, it is just a depth timer. It will record your maximum depth, it will show your current depth and your dive time as well. So, logbook, obviously there's nothing in here at the moment, so it's obviously zeroed. And stopwatch, you've got obviously complete stopwatch facilities. You can have it running at all times, you can stop, start it, anything you need to do. And in the planner mode, you can set your expected depth. So just by increasing the depth, it automatically adjusts your dive time. But by pressing select, it gives you the option of increasing that time and will show you how much decompression you will need to do. So this is saying you've got three stops, 3 minutes to reach the surface safely on that information. So it's quite a useful tool to plan your next dive. If you want to extend the time, it does give you that facility to gauge how much gas you've got, make sure you've got enough gas to complete that dive safely. So, feature-rich computer in this nice small compact size. Wear it any time during the day, wear it on holiday, no need to take a second watch, take your computer with you at all times. That's the Scubapro Meridian dive computer.